Hey everybody, Troy from the Do-It-Yourself World and the Off-Grid Project. Got a package in the mail. Thought it was something that I had ordered, and it was not. So I got it this far and I realized, oh no, that's not what I ordered. This is something for me to try out here in the homestead. So I didn't go any further than that. So here I have something very helpful. I'm always improving my homestead security and lighting, and they contacted me and asked if I would like to try a solar light here in the homestead, and I said, yep, absolutely. So this is from Cinoton, Cinoton. I'll put the link down below anyway. It looks pretty good. There's some mounting hardware, which is good to have. Sorry, I'm looking at my camera upside down. We have, the funny thing is, I was just saying to Melanie the other day, we need to have a light on the inside of our gate for us to see better on the inside of our property. And it was like the next day they reached out to me out of the blue. So it looks really good. We have here a nice sized solar panel on top, and we got here a motion sensor, probably a day-night sensor, nice sized LED display, a lot of LEDs in there. Can you see that? And then another fold-out one, which I like, that it's adjustable angles. I really like that fact. And it looks like the solar panel is adjustable as well, the whole unit. So this is going to mount on your wall here, and the whole thing is going to be adjustable to get the light where you want it. So I'm liking the looks of it. Well, we're going to take it on out and install it out on the fence line, and we'll see how it works out for us. From first impressions, it really looks good. Let me zoom in on that. Look at that. That's pretty nice. And again, decent solar panel. Three sections of LEDs. Can't wait to see what that thing's going to look like out here in the yard at night. So I'm going to get on out there in a little while and we'll get that mounted and see how it works tonight. Meanwhile, we'll look at some specs here. We've got a 1.5 watt solar panel, 21% efficiency, not bad. Lithium ion battery, 2200 milliamp hours, and 181 SMD 2835 LEDs. 181 LEDs, 1200 lumens, so that's going to light up the night for us real nice, and about a 50,000 hour lifespan. So charging time 8 hours. So this can either be always off and come on bright when there's motion, always dim and come on bright when there's motion, and then dim back down to dim later, or always dim, from my understanding here, and stay on all night. So let's get this thing outside and see how it looks. Well, I will not delay. I will get this up here. Well, there it is. Well, that's going to look good, I think. That looks impressive up there right now. I'll tell you what, is a security light. That thing looks scary. I like the looks of it up there. It looks like a very impressive security light. Well, we'll be back tonight. Let it charge up during the day. Well, it is nighttime. Watch this. It's really dark here, as you can see. Now, I can see. Oh, this camera doesn't do it justice. It is bright way out. Much farther than the camera shows. So, it really lights it up here. Now I've got the rest of the yard lit up over here. You can see the line. But this area, right there by the gates, has always been too dark. And we've been fumbling around in the dark at night. And now, I can see our barricades clearly. And more clear than the camera shows. See? I mean, it's way, 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 way brighter than the camera shows. I'm liking it though. And that's one setting. Let me check the other. There's another setting that allows that to stay on dim always and goes bright when somebody moves. So we'll be right back. By the way, there's a button. So what I'm going to do is, whoops, blind me. Hold on a second. Now this mode, and again, I can still see my gates clearly. This one's always dim, always on. I don't know if I can get here. Oh, yeah, I triggered it. This one's always on and gets bright when something moves. So that's nice. And then there's a third setting that's just always on. So I really like that now. There, see, it dims down after you stop moving. If I move, I'll trigger it again. Yeah, there we go. So now I can really see inside of my gate. Very bright as day. Well, I've had this up for a week now, and I am loving it. I don't know if you can see. If I get down to the ground, maybe you can see. Yeah, the camera makes it look darker than it is. But as I walk up, it's going to get brighter and light up the night for us. I'm going to be moving that over above our gates later, though, where I need it most, when I get the posts up. But I am very pleased. It stays on dim all night. If I back up, it's going to dim down, which I like. So let me pause the camera and come back in a minute. Okay, it's dimmed down. So there's always light. I can always see the gate. I think, you can see a little bit. The camera really, really dims it down. But it makes it, even dim, you can see everything. And the fact that it's always on, and it makes it throughout the whole entire night. I love that fact. And so you always see something. And then as you approach, it'll get brighter. And I can see, but I can see this way better than it shows on camera. And so I can walk up to my gates and I can open them up, which you can't see as well as I can, but it's great. So I'm very pleased with this light now. Well, I've been using the Cinoton, I hope I say that right, LED light for a little over a week now, and I am loving it. It is serving me well. As I said, once I get the post up over here, that's going to go here and help us see over the entire driveway. This is amazingly affordable at only $17 with free shipping on Amazon. That is incredible for what it's doing. I mean, I've never seen them that affordable before. And there's I got a special discount code for you guys and save even 10% more. So check it out, guys. I'm probably going to buy more of these myself just because it's so good. And as you can see, it's been raining and it's not leaking. which is an issue I've had with others before. So, pretty good. Please like this video. Check it out, guys. Get one. I will. Absolutely. It's good. Talk to you later.